Good morning, fourth graders. Welcome to the March 30th math task video. In this video, I'm going to go over what you should be doing for math on Monday, March 30th. And this is a pre-recorded video so that you can watch it as many times as you need to watch it, okay? So today, I'm going to go over the math workbook that you picked up from school or was dropped off via the bus routes. So you'll need that, and you'll need a pencil. And I'm also going to just go over, I'll show you a little YouTube video from Khan Academy that explains the math lesson for today, which is multi-digit addition, okay? We miss you guys. We're so happy that you can watch these videos and just work at home. Hopefully you'll be back in school soon. Remember to stay safe, practice social distancing, and be patient with each other at home. All right, so I'm going to share my screen. I'm going to show you what my computer looks like on my desktop because I want you to see also in the case you want more resources at home, you can go to our school website. So our school website is keaau.k12.hi.us. So go there and then you're going to scroll down, look down to where the parent page or the student page. You can go to the parent page, click on that. And if you scroll down to the bottom, you're going to click on grade 4 because you're in 4th grade. Your teachers work very hard to create lessons for you like this. We're going to be working on the math portion. So you're going to need your Math Learning Bridges workbook, and it looks like this. Black Lines practice book. It looks like that. So get that out, please. And then let's take a look at what we're supposed to be doing today. So you're also going to look at your calendar. So today is Monday, March 30th. It says page 1 multi-digit addition. So open up your math book and you're going to go to page 1. So here's your math book. I'm going to scroll down to page 1. And there's a lot of other pages before page 1. We got to scroll all the way down, but I'll show you what page 1 looks like. And remember, at any time, you can totally pause this video so that you can catch up. I know Mrs. Blaber talks fast sometimes. I'm so sorry about that. But just press the pause button, get what you need to get organized. You can write directly in this book. So here we are. This is multi-addition review. So you see the page numbers are on the bottom right-hand corner. So today, all we're gonna do is this page, multi-digit addition review. So this is review for a lot of us, right? And we're only gonna do this page. So you can write directly onto your workbook. And those of you who don't have a workbook, you can just grab a piece of binder paper like Mrs. Blaber has here, and then you can just copy down the problems and write it yourself, okay? All right, so for a mini review, I'm gonna show you a YouTube Khan Academy video that explains how to do multi-digit addition review in the case you may have forgotten. Okay, so here it is. Let's take a listen. I love Khan Academy. So parents, if you're listening along, Khan Academy is a great tool that I use with my kids as well because it has like videos watching the instructor explain it at the same time he's doing it. So here we are. Let's make sure my volume is up. Okay. Let's try it again. Here we go.
What we're going to do in this video is add 48,029 to 233,930. And like always, pause this video, and I really encourage you to try to figure it out on your own. And let's see if we get the same answer. And if we don't, why? All right. So the way I'm going to tackle this, I assume that you've had a go at it. I'm going to take the larger number. I'm going to write it on top. I'm really doing the standard method. There's multiple ways where you can add multi-digit numbers, but what I'm going to do is really the most typical method. And then I'm going to write the smaller number below it, but I'm going to match up the place values. So I'm going to write the ones placed in the same column as the ones placed on the top number. So this is the 10,000s place, so 48,000 and 29. So 9 is 9 ones, 0 ones, 2 tens, 3 tens, so on and so forth. And now I am ready to add. So let's start in the ones place. And if I'm adding numbers, it's always a good idea to start in the ones place. 0 ones plus 9 ones is 9 ones. And then I can go into the tens place. 3 tens plus 2 tens is 5 tens. This is going well. All right. Then I go to the hundreds place. 9 hundreds plus 0 hundreds. Well, that's just going to be 9 hundreds. So far, so good. All right. Now something interesting is going to happen in the thousands place. 3 thousands plus 8 thousands. Well, that would be 11 thousands. But we can rewrite 11 thousands as 1,000 and 1/10,000. Sometimes you might see this described as carrying the 1. 3 plus 8 is 11, where you carry the 1. But all you're really doing is regrouping. 3,000 plus 8,000 is 11,000. We write the 1,000 here, and then you write the 10,000 right over there in the 10,000 place. And now, so we have 1 10,000 plus 3 10,000s plus 4 10,000s. So 1 plus 3 plus 4, that's 8 10,000s or 80,000. And then last but not least, we have these 200,000s right over there, and we're done. 281,959. Did you get the same answer?
All right, so that was just a review of how to add multi-digit numbers with regrouping. Remember, you can pause this video at any time, and you can rewind it in case you missed something and want to hear it again. I'm going to get out of this space here. And we are going to take a look at our multi-digit math page 1. So here we go. Let's do the first one together. 120 plus 207. So right now, you can begin working on it. Go ahead, 120 plus 207. And I'm going to go to my whiteboard right now. And let me just double check to make sure I got the... Alrighty. Sorry, Mrs. Blaber is having some 120 plus 207. Okay, I wanted to make sure I got that correct. So go ahead and work on it, and then I'm going to show you my whiteboard and I'll work on it with you. Alrighty. So 100, excuse me, my messy handwriting, and 20, right? So we have the hundreds place, the tens place, the zero place. I'm sorry, the ones place. Hundreds, tens, and ones place, plus 200. Remember, we have to align the places. 207, right? Okay, let's draw our numbers. And like Mr. Khan said, we have to follow place values. So we want to always start with the ones place first. 0 plus 7 is 7. Tens place, 2 plus 0 is, right? 2, good job. And what is 1 plus 2? 327. So that is the answer for number 1. All right, pat yourselves on the back if you got it. If you got a little confused, you can try again. But remember, what's really important is that we always do the ones place first, right? Want to do that first. And then you're going to do the tens place, you see there. And then we go down and do the hundredths. And that's what we do. We work from right to left, okay? All right, so I hope that helped. So please, it's now your turn to do the rest of the problems. Let me show you what the rest of the problems look like. Here they are. Okay, so 459 plus 320, 533 plus 429. I think what I would like to do with you guys is this problem here. 533 plus 429. That would be like maybe the last problem we'll do together. So Mrs. Blaber is writing it down. You guys can work on it right now while you're waiting for me. And I'm going to go to my whiteboard. Here's my whiteboard. I'm going to write it down. Oops. Wonder what's happening there. Okay, I'm going to go 533 plus 429. Now, here we go. We always start from the right, in the ones place. So 3 plus 9 is 12. Very good. So we're going to put the 2 in the ones place down, and we're going to carry the 10, or the number 1, right? There's 12. The 1 is the tens place. And we're going to add them straight down. Here we go. 1 plus 3 is 4. Plus 2 more is 6. Very good. All right. Now we move over to the left. 5 plus 4 is 6, 7, 8, 9. Very good. It's okay to use your fingers, okay? So that should be your answer for number 3, 962. All right, so if you did a great job, pat yourselves on the back. If you made a little mistake, just make sure that you fix it. And mistakes are really good, especially if you fix them correctly, because it helps your brain learn even more. All righty. So that is all for our session today. If you have any questions, please let me know. And how would you let me know? One way you could let me know is you could email Mrs. Blaber, janice.blaber@k12.hi.us. You can email me and let me know what I need to do better, what you would like to see, what you need help on. Let me know, and then by next week, I'll make sure that I fix what I'm teaching you here. You can also text me at 217-2944. So parents, feel free to text me as well what you need help on, if you'd like to do some live sessions. But that's all for our math session today. Thank you so much, everybody. You guys have a good day, and I'll see you tomorrow.